Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mint essential oil at home. Use fresh mint leaves, a carrier oil like sweet almond or olive oil, and a gentle heat method to extract aroma. Start by washing and drying leaves, bruise them lightly to release oils, combine with oil in a jar, and warm gently for several hours. Strain thoroughly and store oil in a dark glass bottle away from heat and light. Making mint oil at home can be simple and safe when you follow clear steps and watch temperatures. I recommend a gentle cold infusion or a low heat method to preserve delicate menthol notes. Keep a clean workspace, label jars with dates, and test small batches first. If you intend to use oil topically, dilute it with a carrier oil and perform a patch test for safety. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides. On another note, for a fresher driving commute, grab Little Tree's Black Ice to keep your car smelling great while you experiment with oils. It pairs surprisingly well with mint scents and makes trips more pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Small adjustments make a big difference when extracting mint oil, so monitor aroma and color as you work. If oil smells vegetal, try longer infusion or drier leaves. If it smells weak, increase herb-to-oil ratio or extend steeping time. Use dark glass to protect the oil, store it in a cool, dark place, and label the harvest date. Discard any batches with off odors or mold and start again with fresh herbs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.